XM Series pneumatic attenuators are designed, developed, and manufactured on the basis of new technology, new materials, new technique, and new ideas at home and abroad. XM Series actuators are made of high-strength extruded aluminum with high oxidation surface treatment. Beautiful, compact, and modern design. Various specifications make model selection more economical. Standard connection ports are easy-to-install valves, solenoid valve, limit switch box, valve positioner, etc. Operation of double-acting pneumatic actuator. Air pressure into port A make pistons move outwards, moving forwards to the direction of end caps. Air is discharged from port B, making gear shift rotate counterclockwise and open. Air pressure into port B make pistons inwards. Air is discharged from port A, making gear shift rotate clockwise and close. The rotary situation can be changed according to special requirements of customers. Spring return pneumatic actuator is another option, which has the same exterior and structure as double-acting type. Air pressure enters into inlet port, making pistons move outwards to drive gear shaft to rotate and open. When air supply has failed, springs push the pistons inwards to make the gear shift rotate and close. Besides, according to the special service condition of customers, we also develop and manufacture 3-stage pneumatic actuators and super-fast pneumatic actuators. The open time or close time of super-fast pneumatic actuators is less than 1 second when the model is smaller than DA300. With unique style, advanced technology, precision manufacturing, and economical compact mode design, XM Series pneumatic actuators can be equipped with other accessories directly to improve efficiency and economy.